Today we're taking a truly immersive journey into what is easily East Africa's most fascinating city. Prepare yourself to explore a place where the ancient world and, well, the deep future literally stand side by side. We're diving deep into Nairobi, the city of contrasts.
4 million. Just let that massive scale set in for a second. That number, it represents the beating heart of this incredibly vibrant metropolis. Perched right on the eastern edge of the magnificent Great Rift Valley, Nairobi is a thriving home to over 4 million people.
And the whole region is defined by this breathtaking juxtaposition. On one hand, you've got towering skyscrapers and cutting-edge infrastructure like the massive Nairobi Expressway. But then, set directly against that expanding urban sprawl is the ancient rolling beauty of the Ngong Hills. It's literally glass and steel framed by raw geographical majesty. So one minute you're in a vibrant African city. The next, you're in a national park. And listen, that isn't just some catchy tourist tagline. This dramatic duality, it's the absolute essence of Nairobi's identity.
Let's move into our first section, heritage and diverse cultures.
Nairobi is woven together by this unbelievably rich cultural tapestry. It's home to a wonderfully diverse mix of people, prominently including the Maasai and Kikuyu tribes, whose deep historical influence really shapes the heartbeat of the city today. And actually, because Nairobi historically served as this major transportation hub, it became a real melting pot. That history forged a completely unique Afro-Indian culinary fusion that is, well, it's practically stitched right into daily life there.
But what's fascinating is that the city doesn't just look forward, it fiercely protects its past. Through world-class centers like the National Museum of Kenya, Nairobi proudly preserves its rich natural history and cultural heritage for the entire world to see. Which brings us to Section 2, a hub for innovation.
So the city's rapid technological evolution really happens in a few distinct steps. First off, you have this massive network of startup incubators and accelerators empowering local entrepreneurs. Now that foundational infrastructure naturally fuels the second phase, an undeniable boom in fintech and blockchain, which is rapidly positioning Nairobi as a legitimate global powerhouse. And finally, driving all of this sector growth is an absolute explosion of co-working spaces and innovation labs. It's a real game changer.
All right, let's shift gears to Section 3, the Urban Wildlife Sanctuary.
120. Now, this isn't some population statistic or a tech growth metric. No, this number represents the square kilometers of the Nairobi National Park. It's an incredibly expansive wildlife sanctuary located just a very short drive right from the center of the metropolis. And what you find inside those 120 square kilometers is, honestly, it's just staggering. We're talking about Africa's most iconic wildlife: lions, leopards, rhinos. Just imagine the absolute awe of witnessing these majestic creatures, these apex predators roaming freely in their natural habitat, while the modern skyline of a booming urban sprawl sits right there in the background. It is a completely singular, breathtaking experience that you literally cannot find anywhere else on the planet.
And that brings us to our final section, the Spirit of Nairobi.
When you really step back and look at its deeply rooted history, its driving modern tech scene, and its unparalleled natural wonders, you realize this city bridges entirely different worlds. After seeing that relentless innovation and majestic wildlife living side by side, the only question left is, are you ready to experience the edge of the Great Rift Valley for yourself?